What are you doing, Shmuel? What are you doing? You building a sandcastle? Awesome. What are you doing, Lansky? You building a sandcastle? Awesome. You doing good work? What are you doing, Diesel? What are you doing, Nate? Awesome. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun, Lansky? How you like this beach? Awesome. Chuck D, man of little words. What, dude? We'll see. We'll go this week for sure. We'll check it out.
Nice ball, man.
Awesome, Lansky. Look at the beach. Look at the beach. Say hi, dude. Beach is beautiful. Say beach is beautiful.
Beach is beautiful.
Awesome. Okaloosa 2012.
Okaloosa 2012.
Out.